Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. Folks, today I'm going to do a quick video, just hopefully help some folks out if you have the situation that I had. And that was my microwave was sparking really badly. Happened all of a sudden, wasn't any kind of real set, moment where it just started doing it. It just started doing it. Now, I thought that I needed a new microwave. And I'll tell you, when it first starts sparking and arcing, whatever you call it, it's a little bit scary. I was like, whoa, this looks dangerous, right? Again, I was getting ready to, I actually unplugged the microwave, put it in the garage, getting ready to throw it away. I started looking on Amazon for microwaves, and then somehow I discovered, I probably, like anything else that breaks, I kind of like the challenge of trying to fix it. And again, not just do I enjoy fixing it, but there is a little bit of satisfaction there when we do have a problem and we resolve it. But more so, I just don't like pissing money away on things like this, like replacing an appliance. I like things to try to last forever, and I know that's not the case in life. Things do fail, but we do live in a society that we are a throwaway society, and there's a lot of things that if you can fix it yourself, not only can you save a lot of money, you can also prevent more junk from being thrown away in our environment, and you'll have that I have no satisfaction with this word. You'll have the satisfaction of actually being able to fix something yourself. And this is pretty straightforward, very simple. And I encourage you, if your microwave has started sparking really bad, or arcing or sparking, I'm not sure what you technically call it, you'll know it's sparking. And I don't mean sparking like you're putting a like a fork in there or something like that, or a piece of metal. I mean, it'll really arc. And so what happens is you have a waveguide in a microwave, and I don't know what it actually does. I don't know how a microwave works, but you have a waveguide cover. Now, I've seen some microwaves without the waveguide cover, and they still work. I'm not really sure exactly what it does, but I can tell you that if the microwave does start sparking really bad for no reason, you have nothing in there, then this could potentially be a problem. So what happens is, we cook things splatter as often as we clean our stuff and keep it nice and neat, tidy. You're going to get some splatters in areas where you just can't reach. Now, the waveguide is made of the waveguide cover is made of a mica board, and it looks just like a piece of cardboard. Over the years, I'd always look at microwaves inside and be like, man, you think they would put like something a little nicer, a piece of cardboard. It's more than just cardboard. It does have, I believe, mica in it. It's hence why they call it mica board. Again, I'm not a professional. I don't know what it actually does, but I know if it does get dirty and soaked in any kind of grease or oil or food particles, it can cause problems. So I actually went ahead, took the microwave back in, pulled that cover out. And it's really easy to pop out. Some microwaves will just kind of have it held in with like tabs or a little cover. My microwave had a little kind of raised metal tab. You put one corner under, and then it had a little plastic rivet. Just get a needle nose plier, popped it out. And in the interim, before I decided to try to find mica board, just went ahead and gave it a good cleaning. Once I gave it a good cleaning, gently scrubbed it with a little soap and water, some Formula 409, rinsed it real well, let it dry out. I put it back in, and it seemed to fix the problem. So, knowing it was an old piece of mica board, I went ahead and tried to find a piece of mica board. Now, for you guys, there is a link in the description where you can pick up some mica board on Amazon. It's relatively cheap, like under 10 bucks, I think, if I remember correctly. Again, click the link, check it out. It'll be a search link, so when you click the link, it'll pull you to where where folks are. I'll try to find the best value. If you are impatient like me, and that was my situation, I didn't really want to wait for that. I went ahead and was able to find a guy locally who had some. Now, it's such a rare item to find because, let's face it, most people aren't going to buy mica board, and generally when things break, they just throw them away. I'm not that guy. If I can fix it, I will. And a lot of times, we throw away things when they're really simple fixes, and we never give that item, or that electronic item, whatever may be, the opportunity to still continue to live on, right? We just throw it away, and that just adds some more junk in our environment. Again, that's not my top concern, but it is an added bonus if you can salvage stuff, right? Rather than throw it away in the society we live in. I think everybody likes to have a little extra money in their pocket, right? So, really simple fix. I went ahead and found this mica board from I believe I just looked up folks on the internet that were like maybe like electrical contractors. I don't really remember how I found it, but I was able to source it from a guy who just, he had some kind of trade in electrical work, and he just happened to have some. And it wasn't a concern to him because let's face it, most people are never going to use this. He says, yeah, I'll leave a 1 foot by 1 foot section out in front of my garage. Just come pick it up, right? Just no charge, there you go. So really nice. So I went out, picked it up, and what you have to do is take the old mica board, and your microwave is probably different than mine, so yours might have extra cuts in it. It might be shaped a certain way. It's going to be pretty close to square. Maybe you'll have a round edge. You might have a hole, like mine had a little hole for that rivet. Really simple hand tools. Be careful. A little X-Acto knife, a little ruler, or a straight edge of some sort. Just basically, I don't think you'll be able to use scissors. You want something pretty sharp, be able to cut through it with a nice clean edge. And then if you have an area where you need to put a hole, I just use a drill with a drill bit, drills right through it, no problem. And just basically made a replacement. Put it in, the microwave works perfectly. Knock on wood, no issue. So that's it, guys. So if your microwave is sparking and you're having these kinds of issues, again, make sure that you clean it out real well. But if that board, and I'm not going to show you on this video here, even though the microwave is open, it's hard for me to get the tripod into the side of the microwave area here. But right on the side here on mine, you'll see a little piece of cardboard. It's mica board. And yours is no different. Every microwave that I've ever seen, for the most part, has this particular little piece of what looks like cardboard. That's your culprit. Most likely your culprit. My culprit is I can't talk today for shit. So, guys, that's about it. Let me know if this does help you out. Again, these videos are really informal. They're not meant to be a do-it-yourselfer, hands-on, step-by-step tutorial. If you have any complaints, go ahead and just trash those right now. Unfortunately, YouTube is full of a lot of really great people who appreciate these videos. Other times you have people who just want to complain, and it pulls all the whiners out of life right onto the comment section. So anyway, guys, that's it. Hopefully that's helpful. As always, if you do have any questions, I am great about getting back to people within an hour or so. So if you do have any questions or comments, whatever, drop them. Send me an email. My email address in the description of every single video. If I can help you in any way, I will. And I hope that this helps to save you a little bit of money. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day and take care.